Hi everyone, what's up? I hope you all are good, and once again welcome back to my new video. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna give you all the information about how to apply job on cruise ship and the whole process. And because this video is the most requested video in my channel, you guys are keep asking me how to apply job on cruise ship, and I get bunch of DMs also on Instagram, but I cannot reply you guys every time. I tried to reply as much as I could. I tried to give you info. This video will gonna help you how to apply job on cruise ship, and I'm gonna tell you step by step whatever I did to get this job. I will try to give you the information whatever I know, guys, because some things I also don't know, because on cruise ship there are so many departments. I can give you the information about everything, each and every details about my department only, but other department I can tell you whatever I know according to my knowledge, but I cannot tell you the whole details, guys. So let me clear you before I'm gonna talk. Cruise ship is a more than 5-star hotel. I can say there are so many departments. So you know, guys, what is my department? My department is casino. I work as a casino dealer on cruise ship, and I'm gonna tell you all the information and the details, how I applied and how I got this job. I have already written down all the points in this diary, because I don't want to talk just like random. I might forget the main points. Before I'm gonna talk about how to apply job on cruise ship, let me tell you about me. I completed 4th contract on Carnival cruise ship, and I'm enjoying my job, and it's very fun, and of course the work is hard, but there is enjoyment as well. So the best part of working on cruise ship is you can see the world. I'm about to complete 3 years in Carnival cruise lines. I'm very happy and satisfied with my own job, because this job gave me a lot, so it's a good salary, plus I can travel the world, and you don't have to pay single penny for that, because you don't need visa. Wherever your cruise ship dock, you can see that country. That's the best part. And I'm a person who loves to travel and explore the new places, new countries, new food, and this job made my dream into reality. I'm so blessed, and I always give thanks to God. I'm in my vacation now. I just completed my 4th contract from Australia, and guys, I was in Australia, and once upon a time Australia was my dream country, and I really wanted to see Sydney especially, and I got chance to see Sydney, and yeah, I'm so happy, because this is the best opportunity. Honestly, guys, I'm so grateful towards my company Carnival Cruise Line, because literally it made my dream into reality, and I always give thanks to my God. I saw many people who are interested to work on cruise ship, but they don't know the way how to apply and where to go, where to give interview, what course I need to do, what experience, how much experience. You guys have many queries. I know that's the first thing is how to apply job on cruise ships. So you need to apply online, guys. So these days everything is online. So most of the cruise lines head office is in US. So I'm gonna talk about my own ship, Carnival Cruise Line. You need to apply job on another country. The first thing you should know. So it all works on online. In India there are so many agencies in Mumbai, even in Goa, Bangalore, like in big cities. But I know about Mumbai because I gave my interview from Mumbai only. You need to apply online. So there are so many websites online about the cruise ship job. So maybe there are fake website also. I don't know, you might get a scam, but yeah, I'm gonna tell you some genuine website from where I applied job on cruise ship. The first one, there is a worldwide website called Ocean Job. I'm gonna link in a description box, don't worry. So Ocean Job is the worldwide website. You can see all the vacancies and details. You need to fill the form, so you need to fill your details. So there is an option to apply your resume. So and there is a vacancies, guys. So where do you want to apply? So according to your experience, example, you work on casino, or you work on hotel departments, front office executives, F&B, you are singer, dancers, or anything. There are vacancies. It's when vacancies opens, it comes automatic, it's open. So you need to fill your details, and you need to apply your resume. That's it. They hire only experienced people. So if you are experienced about hotel, any departments on hotel, you can apply it. Or if you are a very talented, you are a singer, you are a good dancer, or you are a magician, if sales departments, so many departments are there. So you need to apply according to your experience. Then you will get the call from agencies, because your resumes goes direct to the agencies which are already tie up with the Carnival cruise ship or any other cruise ships. Whoever works in casino department from Goa, we also apply always in Ocean Job, because that's the only website. There is Airborne Recruiting also if you want to apply for the housekeeping, sales, and other departments, and the VSIP in Mumbai, which is my own agency. I'm gonna give link about those agencies, which is very genuine. And one thing, guys, they don't take money. Agency never charge money from candidates because cruise ship will pay them, company will pay them, so they are not allowed to charge money. Okay, the second thing, after you applied the CV, the way the vacancies is open, the second thing is resume selection. CV selection, what they see you first, they say you your picture, right? Of course, your photographs and your experience. So that is the first impression. So your CV should be very neat and clean. I personally applied a color resume. First time I applied and I got selected, but my resume was very nice. It was colored and my picture was very clean and everything was neat and clean. Maybe because of that, I don't know. Color resume is good, so make a resume. It's a color one. These days the color CVs looks very good. I already worked 5 years in Goa and I apply, and luckily I got in my first attempt only. But the people sometimes they don't get in their first attempt, but you can keep trying because every 6 months they open vacancies, and casino dealer is the high chance to get hired, and hotel department. Number 3 point is get call from agency or from direct. Sometimes you get direct call from the company also, it depends, but usually you get call from the agency, and you need to go to Mumbai for the interview. Number 4 is first round interview with the agency. After that, agency will select you, see your skills, your communication, your personality, attitude, everything, and your gaming skills. So if you are going for casino, of course they see your gaming skills, so you need minimum 1.5 years to 2 years experience. If you are going for casino, because Carnival casino manager will come to check your interview in Goa, so final interview is always in Goa because casinos are in Goa. Goa is the main hub for casino interview. Number 5 point is medical. After your selection, you need to do medical, because before medical, if you process all the documents, if you fail in medical, of course you cannot go. It's all waste of time and waste of money. So better you need to do your medical first before even your STCW course, because medical is very important. You have to be physically fit, so then and only you can join on cruise ship. So medical. And number 6 is STCW course, which is very very important, and without STCW course they don't hire you, guys. STCW means basic safety training, which is 15 days training, and that training you can do anywhere in India, like Goa, Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Bangalore. That course is quite expensive. Around 25 to 30k you need to pay for that course. So that is the only money you have to pay, because rest you will get refund, but that course money you cannot refund. So that course you need to do. It's not really hard, it's easy only, so you need to pass that course. And of course after doing 15 days you will pass it, and the teachers and whoever the course organizer, they will help you. That's the very very important, guys. STCW course that you need to do only after your selection, because some people they do training first and they apply job. No use, guys, because that is just 15 days training you can do after your selection and after your medical. It's not a big deal. Even me and my colleagues and my friends, we did while working only. So the whole day we need to do for training, and nighttime we were working, and we used to sleep around 2 hours only. So that is how we did it, and it's okay, but your hard work pays off, right? And okay, number 7 is apply CDC and SID card. What is CDC card? CDC is it looks like passport only. It is blue in color. It's called seaman book. Seaman means the people who work on the cruise ship, they all call seamen. You will get your CDC within, I think, 15 to 20 days. So that is very important. SID is not really important, but if you make it, that is easy, because in some countries they need SID. So it looks like your PAN card. That is also, you will get it in less than 1,000 rupees. After that, number 8, and you need to apply police clearance from passport office. It's, I think, 500 or 1,000. Yeah, that you need to pay to the government 500 or 1,000 rupees to get the police clearance certificate. So it will come at the same times, like 15 days it takes. So it will come to your home address, like how you go for passport hearing, the same you need to do. So, and number 9, I have written down, submit everything to the agency. So you need to submit whatever documents you are receiving. You need to you need to send it, you need to mail to the agency. So agency will submit to the company for your further process. process. So you need to keep mailing all the documents, whatever documents you are receiving, so you need to keep mailing to the agency. Number 10, of course, US visa which we get, the people who work on cruise ship is called C1D visa. There are different types of visas for US also, but for us is C1D visa. C1D visa is only you can stay in US for 24 hours, not more than that. That's it allowed, because we are not allowed to stay in US because we work on the cruise ship. Yeah, so you need to apply visa. So to apply visa also, it's not a big deal, because agency will help you to apply. They will send you all the details. Your job is only just to follow the process. And for the visa interview, you need to take appointment. You need to go to the Mumbai US embassy, and they will charge you, I think, oh my god, I don't remember how much they charge. It $160 or Indian rupees, we pay I think 15 to 16,000 rupees. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, around like that. I'm not sure, guys. I don't remember now, but yeah, around like that. Maybe they increase now. You can borrow and you can do it, so that's not the big deal, because company will refund of everything. Only STCW they don't refund, but the visa and the medical, you need to submit the receipt once you go on the board, and the first week they will refund you. So yeah, it's very good, right? That's the last part, visa interview. So once your visa interview is done, you're all set. So while going for visa interview, guys, well formal, and you need to look smart, and whatever they ask the questions, you shouldn't hesitate. You need to answer them honestly, then they will select you. But sometimes you get rejected in visa interview, but it's okay, you can apply after 6 months, but they don't reject easily. You just need to be professional and talk smartly, and whatever they ask you, just reply in a one word. That's it. You don't have to elaborate them. So because visa interview is always, there are like hundreds of people on the line. The interview takes your, I think, 3 to 5 minutes. That's it, not more than that. Whatever they ask, you need to reply in one word. That's it. So example, like they ask me, so why you work on the cruise ship? Because of good salary, I said. And so how long your contract will be there? Just 6 months, like that. So, and with a smiling face, of course. So you need to talk with a smiling face. Just go for the interview and just greet them first. Hi, hello, good morning, and or good afternoon, and whatever they ask, just reply in a one word. But of course, if you are going for the first time, it's a kind of nervous. Even I was a little bit nervous, but it's okay. When you see all the people, there are hundreds of people on the line, so yeah, it's very fast. So yeah, that's it. And the last, number 11, just then pack your bags, pack your bag and fly to US. That's it. This company will provide you everything. They will send you flight ticket, hotel, even the which ship you are going, where you are going, everything you will get in your mail, and even agency will send you the same details. And your job is just to pack your bag and fly to US. You don't have to do anything. And don't worry about the salary, guys. Salary you will get paid in US dollar, and you know, guys, nowadays US dollar in India, $1 is equal to 87 rupees, sometimes 88. $1,000 is equal to 87,000 rupees in India. So your salary will be more than $1,000. Of course, you earn more than lakh rupees in a month. And on cruise ship, you don't have to pay for anything. You don't have to pay your rent. You don't have to pay for the food. You don't have to pay for anything. So literally you get everything in the mess. So even you don't have to pay for the tea bags, coffee, tea, food, whatever the food is there, even the milk, ice cream, or whatever you want, everything is available there for the crew members. So you don't have to pay for anything. Like literally you can save your salary. Only you can spend your money when you go outside, eat food and shopping in a different countries. That's the only your expenses. But literally you can save your all salary, guys, because you don't have to pay for single things on cruise ship. That's the best part. So well, guys, I hope you understand, and I hope I cleared your queries or doubts. So if you have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.